Hey there, I'm Ben, and welcome back to another episode of Gear Up with Gregg. Today we're going to dig deep beneath the layers of rust and grime and get to the metal of the matter with Autosol car care products. Autosol was founded by Otto Durst in 1929 and has since become a leading manufacturer of metal polishes and surface care products worldwide. This German brand is best known by their slogan, "A brilliant shine every time." Their products can be used for new and classic automobiles, motorcycles, and heavy-duty trucks. Actually, they can even be used around the house and in industrial applications. The superior and consistent quality of Autosol products has led to both BMW and Mercedes-Benz choosing Autosol as a supplier of their car care products. Autosol is also used by Audi and Volkswagen at factories in Germany and the Ford factory in Spain. The metal polish paste is by far Autosol's best seller and the #1 selling metal polish paste in the world. And for good reason. It's easy to use and can be useful in many situations and with multiple materials. This polish is capable of so much more than a simple shine. Well, what happens to metal that causes them to need a shine? What we really have to watch out for is oxidation. What is oxidation? Well, simply put, it's the process that causes rust and corrosion of metals. All metals, with the exception of precious metals like gold and silver, will oxidize when exposed to atmospheric moisture. In some metals like steel, the corrosion is very visible and loose. Everyone has seen the red color of iron oxide or rust on products that weren't protected. Rust is usually scaly, loose, and falls away easily, exposing more and more of the base material to the environment. Oxidation is the last thing you want on a metal surface. So how do you stop it from happening? The answer is Autosol. You can use Autosol's metal polish on all metal surface types to help restore them to their previous luster. Though you should avoid using it on most painted metals and also gold and silver. Got some chrome and stainless on your classic car that's seen better days? Exhaust pipes that have been corroded with age? Or an old antique statue that you've never seen without that layer of grime? Think Autosol. It can even clean clouded, yellowed, or hazed plastic headlights. Using Autosol's metal polish is easy. Start by cleaning off any dirt with warm water and mild detergent, and a clean cloth or sponge. Shake the cloth before using it to make sure there is no dirt or debris lurking inside that could scratch your surface. Rinse away the suds with warm water and dry with a soft cloth. Apply the metal polish paste to a cloth or polishing sponge and rub into the surface of the metal. If your surface is rough, rub hard. But if it just needs a good shine, rub lightly. Next, using a clean cloth, you'll rub off all the residue. If the surface is dull, stained, or rusty, it's time for Autosol. Clean, rinse, dry, apply polish, remove residue, and voila! A clean, shiny surface ready for use. Autosol also leaves behind an invisible protective coating to ensure a long-lasting shine. Hang on, what if you've got something that isn't a metal surface to polish? Although Autosol is known for its metallic shines, they also make a line of products for plastic, leather, scratches on acrylic, or painted surfaces, and even marine care. That's right! They've developed a product specifically for your boat, the vehicle that gets more torture from weather and water than all of your other vehicles combined. Autosol also makes products specifically designed for stainless steel and aluminum. If you're looking for the best shine for a specific material. But what's the difference between all these polishes? How do you choose the right one for your specific job? The aluminum polish is an ammonia-free product, which means it's safe for use on uncoated aluminum. Ammonia, which is contained in large quantity of cleaning products, is corrosive to aluminum and will pit and tarnish the surface. The opposite of what you want to happen. This product is guaranteed to leave uncoated aluminum surfaces with an unparalleled sheen without hazing or scratching. You can use this aluminum polish on hubcaps or the stainless steel crossbox on the back of your truck. Autosol's plastic cleaner is a dual action cleaner and conditioner that restores color and sheen to plastic. UV inhibitors protect the plastic from fading and brittleness when exposed to the sun. The plastic cleaner also contains anti-static agent, which repels dust and dirt. The non-toxic formula leaves a matte finish with a pleasant orange fragrance. The plastic cleaner is great on dashboards, panels, boats, plastic furniture, and plastic headlights or taillights. For larger metal surfaces that just need a refreshing shine, look no further than the metal polish liquid. This product acts in a similar fashion to the metal polish paste, but is easier and faster when applying to a larger surface area, since you can spread it across the surface faster with a sweeping instead of a buffing motion. Anywhere you use Autosol's metal polish, you can use the liquid variant. Now, if you're looking to have the shiniest boat on the water, Marine Shine is the perfect fit. This highly abrasive cleaning, polishing, and rubbing agent is ideal for weathered boat surfaces. It cleans and removes rust or grime from all metal hardware and fiberglass surfaces using abrasion, sanding away the damage and dirt. It's excellent for preserving the luster of hulls, decks, and engines. Phew! Talk about a boatload of information. Now that we've polished off our review on Autosol products, I'm going to head out for a spin. But if you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to call us, or you can visit our all-Canadian website at greggdistributors.ca. Again, I'm Ben, and I want to thank you for watching another episode of Gear Up with Greggs.